So first things first, when we talk about this sneaker, right? Um, let's talk about the inspiration that is Rayssa and her Nike SB, right? So she's a Brazilian skateboarder. Obviously, we know all this information because we've been following this because we want to know the story behind these shoes, right? And she took the world by storm at a very, very young age, man. Doing tricks in a fairy costume, right? Which added to her legend already. Now, with such accomplishments as a silver medal in the Olympics, all of that good stuff, man, she is definitely a rising star when it comes to the world of skateboarding. She is endorsed. She is an April endorsee, right? She has endorsements with Monster. She has endorsements with quite a few other brands other than just Nike. And it's just great to see that Nike actually paid homage to her and giving her her own sneaker already. Now, let's get into the details, man, because the details on this shoe is actually crazy, man. We got mad textures here on the shoe, man, like crazy textures, right? And it adds to the pop on the shoe. But I must say that the leather in the toe box is not that standard Nike premium SB Dunk material, right? So, your mileage may vary. You may get some, yeah, it may crease up, bro. But I do like the textures here on the side panels of the shoe, right? I do like that because it brings me back to, let's see here. It brings me back to the textures that's on the Tight booth, where you see this represents the steel grates that, one skateboarder would do kick flips and all that other crazy stuff off of, things that I will not be doing in some SBs, right? But it does have that same vibe that's going to that. But if you take a look closer, it's actually smiley faces, which are quite prevalent on this sneaker. These are smiley faces. These are smiley faces, which for me, I don't know. I don't know if I'll be rocking these in the shoe just because I'm a dude in my 40s. But again, I don't want to take away from the creativity of the sneaker and the design that, she put forth and Nike put forth into making this sneaker, right? But the leather in the toe box, it's going to be tough, bro. These probably going to crease as soon as you put them on. It's not super stiff as it would be on a pair of regular Nike Dunks, right? But it is stiff to say the least. You got some suede some nubuck here on the back with the Nike stitching. We got Rayssa's logo right there, which I think is actually pretty dope. And they added a little touch here too, rather than just putting Nike Low Pro or Dunk Pro on there, or Low, whatever they normally put on there, because I guess most of my SBs have something different on there, but they actually took and put her name on there. So we got her name on there, which definitely puts a stamp of approval on there. And of course, we got another smiley face. And for this one, we got the same thing, except on the interior, we have the blue Nike check, and on the outside, we have the purple. This one is reverse. We got the blue, and we got the purple. Now, me just keeping it a buck, man, I like that blue. I really like that blue, right? I wish this would have been on this side also. So we should have had it like this, so to speak. That's just me, just because I'm a sucker for symmetry, I guess. But it's still dope. Either way you spin it, it's still dope. You can rock the extra laces that comes in there. It comes with the white, we got the purple, and we got the blue. Now, I know you've probably seen a million videos on these, and you're probably like, all right, I ain't get them, I don't want them, whatever. But the level of detail on this sneaker is absolutely bananas. Now, there was some quality control issues that we talked about earlier, right? Number one, that right there. Like, bruh, come on, man. I opened the box, I was mad, bruh. And there's not a way for me to get that off. I've tried to get it off already and it is not coming off, but there were some other quality control issues that I ran into, but it wasn't anything like major. A piece of the gum sole here, outsole, was hanging from the sneaker. So, I mean, I just literally just pulled it off and that was it. No crazy smells. Still smell like a dope shoe. What a dope shoe smell like, I don't know. No heavy glue. That's what a dope shoe smells like. And for the insoles here, we got two different colors. We got the purple, we got the blue, we got the smiley faces on the inside there with Nike SB, and then Rayssa's logo right there. So is this one shoe that I absolutely had to have for the story? Yes, absolutely. This is the shoe that I had to have. And with the colors being lighter, it's an easy wear shoe. You could really slap on anything with these shoes, man, just because it's got the gum outsole and you got that blue, that royal blue in there, and you got Sprint purple sprinkled in there. So I don't know. I feel like you can't go wrong with it. Am I happy with the purchase? Yup, I am. Not disappointed at all because, again, the shoe has a meaning, it has a story, and her story is actually quite inspirational for, I would say, any young female skateboarder who just wants to step out and do their own thing, bro, because she has a very inspirational story at such a young age. So that'll do it for this one, man. Just wanted to give you guys my review of the Rayssa Leal's SB Dunk. And I'm pretty sure I'm butchering her name because I've heard it so many times, but I'm not Brazilian and I can't roll them R's like that. Yeah, no, I'm good. It's probably Rayssa Leal or something like that. But hey, I'm from Alabama, bro. Leave me alone. Just know these joints got Money Man stamp of approval. So, with that being said, I'm gonna get on out of here, man, and go do something important with my life. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button so you'll be part of the set crew, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when we drop some more video reviews on sneakers, electronics, and toys here on the set. I'm your boy, man. I'm gonna get on out of here. Peace.